So now I'm just measuring how many channels I want on the headboard. So I'm stapling cardboard on the marking area so it helps guide me when I'm stapling the fabric and the foam. Putting the cardboard ahead of time like this will make the channels all consistent and easier to work. Now I'm using 1-inch medium density foam. After that, I'll be using a thin layer of fiber so it gives it a nice soft feel to it. You could go thicker if you want to, but I think 1 inch is good enough. So when I start putting the fabric on, I always like to lock a few staples everywhere first, so then I can see how it looks. So when I am stapling the fabric on, I'm feeling where the cardboard is underneath, and that's what's guiding me. That's how you could make it a lot straighter and more consistent. You want to make sure you're pulling the fabric outwards, so then you don't see the wrinkles. When I'm working on the second channel, I'll be stapling it on the wrong side of the fabric, and then I'm able to put the cardboard and then flip it once I'm putting the foam and the fiber. So when you're putting this cardboard on, you want to make sure you're pushing it tight to feel the other cardboard underneath. After the cardboard's done, I like to make sure everything's nice and clean by flipping it and seeing the other side. So I'm making sure the foam is glued on the cardboard so it's all nicely straight. So now when I'm putting the fiber on, I'm just pushing it just on the side of the edge of the foam. And here's how the finished piece looks like when I'm done it. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you, bye.